Hello there. What you should know before you take the course. The only thing you need to know is just a basic knowledge of using the internet. Who should take the course? This course is an absolute beginner's course, so it assumes that you have no knowledge of programming or coding. What will you learn on this course? You will learn basic HTML, basic CSS, basic JavaScript, basic Python. You'll learn basic Ruby on Rails, how to build a calculator, how to build a digital clock. You'll learn how to build a blog application. You'll learn how to build a random number generator, how to build a number guessing game. You'll learn how to build a one-page website. The format of the course is video based and the duration is approximately 16.5 hours long. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.